Hello and welcome to ELITECH Machine Tools. My name is Rachel, and I am your AI host to demonstrate Teksol product range manufacture by ELITECH Machine Tools. ELITECH Machine Tools was strategically founded by the visionary late Sri Chandrakantbhai Solanki in 2002. A technocrat by heart and mind, Sri Chandrakantbhai Solanki began his journey in 1989 by founding Champcraft Machine Tools, well known with brand name Solco. Under his leadership, Champcraft Machine Tools reached great heights. As a strategic move for further advancement, with the same passion and vigor, he founded ELITECH Machine Tools. Today, ELITECH Machine Tools has over 2 decades of experience and is a leading manufacturer of the Teksol brand. We specialize in high-precision cylindrical, internal, centerless, and customized grinding machines. We have commissioned over 1,000 various types and size of grinding machines worldwide. Our expertise in the field is complemented by the dynamic and innovative leadership of Mr. Kalpesh Solanki and Mr. Saurin Solanki. Under their guidance, ELITECH has established a strong market value globally. At our facility, we take pride in having most of the mother machinery in-house, including VMC, vertical machining centers, CNC turning machines, universal grinding machines, surface grinding machines, lathes, radial drills, and more. This extensive in-house capability ensures that we maintain complete control over the manufacturing process, leading to superior quality and precision in our products. We utilize the most advanced designing technology to develop our machines. Our design team leverages state-of-the-art software and tools to create innovative and efficient machine designs that meet the highest industry standards. Quality is our top priority, and to ensure the highest standards, we use the most advanced testing instruments. These instruments allow us to conduct rigorous testing and quality checks at every stage of the manufacturing process, ensuring that our machines deliver exceptional performance and reliability. I am very excited to showcase our range of high-precision grinding machines. Our core team of experienced and proficient engineers is dedicated to manufacturing top-quality grinding machines. First, let's take a look at our cylindrical grinding machines. These machines ensure high-precision grinding of cylindrical parts, delivering exceptional accuracy and surface finish. We offer 2 categories: hydraulic cylindrical grinding machines. These machines feature robust construction and user-friendly controls. Ideal for general-purpose grinding, they offer high reliability and durability. They provide smooth operation and precise control over grinding parameters. CNC cylindrical grinding machines. Equipped with advanced CNC controls, these machines allow for automated and precise grinding processes. Perfect for complex and high-precision applications, they offer flexibility in handling various part geometries. With programmable settings, you can achieve consistent and repeatable results. Next, we have our internal grinding machines. These machines are perfect for grinding the internal surfaces. Hydraulic internal grinding machines. Designed for efficient internal grinding, these machines provide excellent stability and accuracy. Suitable for a wide range of internal grinding tasks, they are easy to operate and maintain. CNC internal grinding machines. Featuring CNC technology, these machines enable precise control and automation of bore grinding operations. Ideal for intricate and high-precision internal grinding, they ensure high productivity and minimal downtime. Moving on, let's explore our centerless grinding machines. These machines offer unmatched speed and precision, making them ideal for high production environments. We provide hydraulic centerless grinding machines. These machines deliver reliable performance and high efficiency for centerless grinding tasks. Suitable for medium to large-scale production, they offer consistent quality and ease of operation. CNC centerless grinding machines. Equipped with CNC controls, These machines allow for automated and precise centerless grinding. Perfect for high-volume production, they provide superior accuracy and repeatability. Finally, we offer special-purpose customized grinding machines. These machines are tailored to meet specific customer requirements, providing flexible and innovative solutions for unique grinding challenges. Whether you need hydraulic or CNC customization, we can design and manufacture machines to address your specific needs. We are feeling glad to inform you that Teksol precision hydraulic and CNC grinding machines for cylindrical, internal, and centerless applications run successfully across various industries sector across the globe, including automobile components, surgical tools, agriculture, civil work, parts fasteners, motors and pumps bearings, gears textiles, general engineering. Our customers are so satisfied with the performance and reliability of our machines that they consistently give us repeat orders whenever they are looking for grinding machines. Thank you for watching our demonstration. We hope you found this overview of our grinding machines informative. For more information, please visit our website www.elitech.in or contact us directly on 942-964-9250. We look forward to partnering with you. Have a great day and goodbye.